And Mario, what do you think? Has the buyer persona changed? Are they more apt to work with you via just everything being remote and not doing that handshake, type of scenario? Or
In terms of personal attitude,
yeah.
absolutely yes. Uh, we we have been transitioning to a virtual. In fact, I would say 75% of our business was already virtual before this. And we have an office. I'm standing here in my office. I'm alone. There's nobody else here today because everyone's working
Mhm.
either from home or or there are different states anyway from home. So our own practice didn't change one bit, zero.
Hmm.
Our clients, of course, changed where they had to be forced to work from home all of a sudden, and then our Azure business then had an increment, of course, an increase, a bit of an uptick, nothing dramatic, but an uptick as soon as the pandemic hit, especially for those that were on the fence, especially the people that were already working everything on prem, and we had quotes out there, right? And so they say, okay, it's time to do it. Well, yeah, you were going to do it anyway.
Hmm.
This just accelerated it. That's really the difference. It's not that it changed the buying persona. It accelerated the change that was going to happen anyway.
Wonderful, wonderful.